Let's join Polly Glotty and her friends for a bike ride on the beach today. Look, Polly Glotty's friends are in town today exploring. Can you see all the colorful buildings? Our friends are looking around. What will they do today? Hey, look over there. They found a place to rent bicycles. The bikes come in different sizes. Some are big and some are small. Each one is perfect for a different fuzzy friend. Our fuzzy friends choose bikes that fit them just right. Where are our friends going now? They're riding their bikes to the beach path. Let's follow them. The path is safe for our little friends to explore. It's smooth and wide. Look at the beautiful scenery. There are tall palm trees and soft sand. Our friends are pedaling their bikes. Can you pretend to pedal too? Uh-oh, there's a big curve ahead. Can they remember how to use their brakes? They're stopping now. Very good. Hooray! They are riding their bikes back on the straight path. What a wonderful ride they're having on their bikes. Oh, look, they've reached a nice spot to take a break. They're enjoying the view of the sparkling ocean. Now it's time to head back to town. Maybe they'll go see the Ferris wheel. Riding a bike is so much fun. Do you have a bike you like to ride? What a fun day Polly Glotty's friends had learning new words on their bikes. Polly Glotty's friends will always remember this special day riding their bikes. Where do you want to go with Polly Glotty next?